Now let's see the concept of partnership. So partnership is when we start a business, two or more people will join and they will start working on the business, in the business, and they will get some money into it. That is called as investment. Now when the business makes some profit, then the problem is how much of the a profit each one has to take. So in general, if everyone is going to put the same number of hours and if they are going to work for the same amount of time, then the profit should actually depend on the money they have invested, isn't it? In case if the times are different, let's say one person is working for 1 hour and another person is working for 10 hours, maybe based on the times they put in, we have to split the profit. In case if both the times and investments are differing, then we have to again take both of them into consideration. Let's go with examples one by one. But anyway, I have given you the basic definitions here. Partnership is nothing but two or more persons getting together to do a business. So whenever two or more people join to start a venture, then that is called as a partnership, right? And now we have to, the main concept, the main problems that we get on partnership is whenever the business makes a profit or incurs a loss, then what is the proportion or what is the profit or loss each one will get. That is what the questions are based on. Okay. We have to find the profit of individual partner when overall profit is given, and similarly loss can also be found out the same way. Now I'll take an example, a basic example, and explain you what I mean to say. Later we will gradually build examples one by one. You'll understand it completely. Suppose A invested 1 lakh rupees and B invested 2 lakh rupees in a business. Let the profit in the business is 30,000. Then what is the profit of A, right? So A has invested 1 lakh rupees, okay, and then B has invested 2 lakh rupees. Then what is the ratio of their investments? A is to B is 1:2, isn't it? So B has invested twice the amount of A, and therefore he should get twice the profit that A is getting. If the overall profit is 30,000, then how much is the profit to A? So profit to A should be equal to, it should be proportional to the investment, right? So 1 divided by total, which is 1 plus 2 here, into 30,000. Okay, so you find out that it is 10,000. So out of 30,000 profit, A is getting a profit of 10,000, and similarly profit to B is equal to 2 by 3. Why? Because B's number is 2. 2 by 1 plus 2 into 30,000, right? Therefore it is 20. So if you observe this, we have divided the profit in such a way that they are getting it in a ratio of the investment they are making, isn't it? See this, the investment is in the ratio of 1:2, and even if you find out the ratio of the profits, it will also be 1:2. So what did you understand from this? If time is same, if there is nothing is mentioned about the time, then we have to assume that both of them are working for equal amount of times. In case if the times is also mentioned, then the question will be bit modified. In this case, time is not mentioned, therefore profit is divided in the same ratio of the investments. So 1:2 and 1:2. Got it? Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177. And IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.